What's going on, everyone? I hope everyone is enjoying their day. It's Saturday, man. It's about 6 o'clock p.m. Man, I posted, got in contact. Did something. This video probably several hours ago, but we're doing it now. It's a follow up, as you see by the thumbnail. It's a follow up on the Houston family that got brutally murdered, and how you see no mainstream media talking about this. You don't see your local pro-blacks talking about this. You don't see really nobody. I don't see it anyway. The people that I know is not seeing it at all as well. But anyway, we're going to talk about it here. And again, before I go any further, please like and subscribe to my channel. That's Kasim Lamar YouTube. I'm going to keep on hitting you with some content today, and I might be doing what we call a live today as well. But again, subscribe to this channel, like this page. Guys, I really want to make this brief on the suspect that was found. As you can see, Mr. Xavier Davis. I shouldn't even say Mr. Xavier Davis. I should say Pookie and Ray Ray, aka Xavier Davis Savage. We're gonna go with it right now. Let's go. I'm gonna let you listen to the video, and then I'm gonna say my, as I do all the time, my perspective on the video. Let's get it.
A couple and one of their children last week was in court today, and there's a change to his bond situation. Xavier Davis facing 3 counts of capital murder and 1 count of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. David Gonzalez live downtown with more on what happened in court today. David?
Hey, Len, yeah, Davis went before a judge today on one of those capital murder charges, and he's being held without bond until all the cases are combined. Inside the 209th District Court, Xavier Davis made his first court appearance since being arrested and charged with killing a young couple and their 6-year-old daughter. Prosecutors say last Wednesday, Davis went to 29-year-old Donavia Lagway's apartment and shot and killed her, the father of her children, 35-year-old Gregory Karhi, and their daughter, Harmony Karhi. A 10-year-old was also shot, but survived after playing dead.
Once we get all of the cases.
Real quick, guys, I want to know the motive. I'm going to read this article that I got here, but I really want to know the motive of why this guy killed this couple and their 6-year-old, and then shot their 10-year-old that survived. I really need to know that the motive of this.
In, we'll have a hearing on the record, and we'll go forward from there, and judge will make an ultimate bond determination.
Davis's attorneys plan to request a reasonable bond amount at their client's next hearing.
I think that based on the severity of the charges and based on the facts in this case, I was anticipating that he would be held at no bond and expected that from Judge Warren, and I believe ultimately he made the right decision.
In capital cases, the judge can have a hearing. If the state wants to hold him at no bond, he would normally be entitled to a bond.
Davis's attorneys plan to request a reasonable bond amount at their client's next hearing.
That's a big can of worms that you get into, whether or not the judge can hold somebody without a bond and make a decision early on whether or not they think there's proof evident that he's likely to get the death penalty.
Davis was led out of the courtroom in handcuffs. His next hearing has not been set.
He should get the death penalty if it's him.
And a lot of us have heard the horrific details of this case. When asked why has this happened, prosecutors have not revealed a motive just yet.
Okay, I'm gonna read an article to you guys, and then I'm gonna go for before I even read the article to you guys, I just want to let you know, a capital murder in Texas, you more than likely gonna get the death penalty if you're proven that you're guilty, what have you. This is a sad moment. This is a very, very sad moment. This man had the audacity to kill kids, to try to kill kids, kill a female, kill a male, a family. And I just got to keep on letting you guys understand this. But anyway, let me read this. Additional charges have been filed against a suspect arrested in the fatal shooting of a man, a woman, and a juvenile female, the 6-year-old daughter of theirs, and the wounding of a second juvenile female, the 10-year-old daughter, at Fonred Road, about 10:35 p.m. This happened in Houston, just to remind you guys. The Harris County District Attorney's Office has also charged Davis with aggravated assault with a deadly weapon in the 209th State District Court. Davis was previously charged with 3 counts of capital murder and 1 count of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon in the fatal shooting of Harmony Karhi, 6-year-old. I can't pronounce the names. I'm sorry, guys. I think Dun Yevi Lagway, 29, and Gray Karhi, 35. A second juvenile female, 10, was transported to an area hospital in critical condition. This is crazy. A booking photo of Davis, who was in custody in the unrelated charge, is attract to the news release. He stole a car to get to them. Is what is another charge. He stole a car to get to them. But this is a clear savage. This is something that I believe Black people need to understand, that a lot of them is among us. Fuck what people are trying to tell you. This is a fact. And if you don't protect yourself and your family, you are going to end up in the same position. You really need to know who your hood boogers at. And if you, and I don't know in Houston if this the hood, if anybody that know if this is a specific hood in Houston, let me know. That's listening to this. If you in the hood, you gotta get out of there, especially when you have small children. People are savage. It's a lot of mentally unstable ass people, and this is not a joke. You know the rhetoric that the black community get at all the time, but we got to think in reality as much as possible. You know what I'm saying? And again, I'm glad they got the suspect, and if he's found guilty, he definitely need to get the death penalty. The way he killed this couple and their 6-year-old daughter, he got to get. As a matter of fact, he shouldn't even make it to the, he shouldn't even make it to trial. If it's some real dudes that's in prison with him, because you took away a 6-year-old for what reason? I don't know. You got to go in my personal opinion. You got to go. But anyway, guys, it's the end of the video. Please like and subscribe to the channel. I'm going to be hitting you up with some other content a little bit later today, and I'm going to try to go live as well. Y'all have a great evening and enjoy yourself. Peace.